Hello everybody, today I will be making some popsicles. I will try to show you how I do it, and it's 4 different ways. In this first recipe, I will add 1 cup of half and half cream, and I'm supposed to add 2 cups, but in this one I accidentally forgot to add the other cup. So please do add a 2nd cup after you're done putting in the stevia. Okay, so I added the 1 cup of half and half, and now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder. I added only 1, so it's easier for me to give it a mix, and it mixes much better. And I end up forgetting to add the other cup of. It still came out good. It tasted just like the dark chocolate bars, and I love dark chocolate, so I liked the way it came out. But my son didn't, but I loved it. All right, so now to give it a good mix, this is when it's easier to mix it. When it's less liquid, it's more easier to mix it, and there's no lumps left. That's the reason why I added just 1 cup, and then after I'm done with putting the rest, I would just add the next cup in there, but I end up forgetting. Oh dear, but still it came out great. I love dark chocolate, so loved the end results. Now I added was 2 tablespoons of stevia. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Give it a good mix, and let's pour it in these molds. Once done, then we can stick it in the freezer. Alright, so I'm going to be using this same jar since it's chocolate anyways that I'm going to be using. Yeah, you can tell I love chocolate. Alright, so recipe number 2. I'm going to put 2 cups of almond milk in this jar. You can use any type of milk, coconut milk, or they do sell mixed almond with cashew milk. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, and then we give it a good mix. Now keep in mind that the half and half cream for 1 tablespoon is 1 gram of carb. But if you use almond milk or cashew milk or mix, it's 1 carb for 1 cup of milk. So you choose which is the healthier version, the lower calorie version, or the low carb. And again, we pour it in the molds, and the way I know the difference between each one is each lid has different colors, so I know which is which. Okay, so let's begin with recipe number 3, which I will be using the same jar again because it's the same flavor. But this time it's protein powder. It comes with different flavors. There's chocolate, vanilla, and all those good stuff. So I'm using chocolate. Yes, you should have guessed. All right, so I added 2 scoops of the chocolate powder, and it's already sweetened, so now I'm going to add half and half because it's more flavorful. I don't know, I think it's more flavorful. I know it's more fattening, but I like it. Now give it a good mix. All right, now to add the other cup of cream and give it a good mix, and then we will pour in the mold. And that's how easy it is since it already comes sweetened. So that's it. Okay, so recipe number 4, the last one. So here I have vanilla beans. So I'm going to slice it in half and try to scrape off the inside with the knife. You see that dark stuff? That is the good stuff. That's what gives it that big vanilla flavor. Try to scrape off as much as you can, and then just pick it all up and put it in the bowl. And now I'm going to add half and half cream, just a little bit, and then I'm going to try to mix this up very well. I don't want to see any little bits in there that's not dissolved. And then I just add the rest, plus 1 more cup. And next we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sweetener of your choice. And mix. Next, we pour it in the mold. I'm going to put this all in the freezer till the next day. Okay, so we are in the next day. They're nice and firm. They're nice and frozen. And here is the results. My friends, this is the chocolate, dark chocolate ones that I took out. And the other ones are lighter in color. The protein one is lighter in color. And then the vanilla also obviously is kind of whitish and creamish. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.